right, here's our 3D rendering of this. This red box represents the opening, 60 wide, 30 tall. The bottom is 47 off the bottom. We would have a panel that went to the side. I can't make this a normal cabinet because of the weight. So these would be plywood walls. And we can put a opening in the side here, but this is 16 inches deep, and we would have doors on the front. This is a separate piece, separate piece, separate piece, and then these 3 support walls. The back is open. This is open. We'd put a plywood deck on top of this for the fish tank to sit on. And I mean, I could make this open if you needed to route lines up. Make this open to get a pass through in between. Your inside width here is 25.5, and the inside depth would be 16 inches. This upper cabinet, the bottom is open. It would sit right on the top with some slab doors, and this would all be covered up with doors. But dimension-wise, let me know if this works. 16 inches deep, 25.25 inch wide bay here and here, because I've got a note that your filter is 37 by 14.5. So I don't know if we're going to have to completely cut away, cut a big opening out of this so you can pass through. Let me know what you think of that.